everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to find IP address on Omegle. If you want to find the IP address of the person you are chatting with or the person you are talking to on Omegle, then the process is quite easy. Simply keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. To find someone's IP address on Omegle, there are many ways you can do that, but the most easiest way is to simply open up a new tab and search for Omegle IP Locator extension. Perform your search and you'll be taken to this search results. Click on this first link which says Omegle IP Locator and this will open up your Chrome Web Store. Once you find this application, click on the Add to Chrome option right next to the app in order to download the extension. Click the Add Extension button in the pop-up at the top and you'll be able to see the extension added on your web browser. Once you've done that, you can now go ahead and open up omegle.com in the same web browser. Type in www.omegle.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now from the official website, scroll down and click on the video option since you will not be able to find the IP address if you choose the text option. Once you click video, make sure to check both of the boxes in the pop-up and click on confirm and continue. As soon as you're inside the chat with the person, you'll be able to see the IP address located at the very top. That is how you can easily find the IP address of someone on Omegle. All you need to do is to add the IP locator extension on your web browser that you are opening up Omegle with. That is how you can easily find the IP address of someone with Omegle. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.